Today, we're gonna build floating shelves. These will be your supporting pieces. To attach it, I use a Milwaukee 15 gauge finish nailer. Next, we will cut our shelves. You'll have to cut two at the exact length. One for the bottom and one for the back. Next, we will bevel cut, which is cutting at an angle, so, and then connect our front piece in a manner like this. Now we're cutting the face. This is the length of the shelf. To cut the face, we will cut 90 degrees this way and then 90 degrees the opposite way. This spacing was 3 inches. Once you've done that, it should look like this. What I do to mark it is I make an arrow at 3, another arrow at 3, and then snap a chalk line once I have my first 45-degree cut. And then I put it like this. And then I cut, and then I flip it around because my miter saw only slides 12 inches and this is a 21-inch piece. Now that we have our faces, we will line them up against our ledger. It should fit pretty snug. Then you attach the bottom, finish nails and wood glue on the edges, like so. Finish nail, finish nail. Attach the face to the front with a finish nail and wood glue behind it. And then you add the top piece, to which you push forward to see if it lines up. It does. And then you will apply wood glue to the edge right here. Push it up firm. And I used tape to make sure nothing leaked. This is the wood glue I used. And these are what your floating shelves should look like.